welcome back in my world. Today I'm just gonna review my Beyblade 3D printed layer, ring. So I bought this online, and it's a from I forgot the YouTuber who created this, and it's actually 3D printed. It's actually pretty good, and it face spins. So yeah, face spins. It's pretty okay. It's not that really good quality of the 3D printed, but it's really sick. So yeah, I only put 2 screws because my other Beyblades, I don't want to sacrifice one, but I almost did, but I found these tiny ones, these 2 tiny ones. So yeah, I just did it. So I didn't color it yet, but it's pretty fine. So the combo of this is these parts. So first is 1B, one balance from Helios and Lucifer chip, because I don't have other kind of right spin chips. From Hyperion, it's gone, so sad. And I modified Just Driver, so it's just modified but weird. What? Yeah, but it's still fine. I just put a Lego piece and glued it, and it balanced in the center. So that's the combo. I'll show you. It was quite hard to put, but you need to turn it in the back and hold it properly because it free spins. Just there. So just add this. Come on, just put in there. Okay, there you go. I got it in finally. So 2B, just put in there. There we go. And finally, DIY Just Drive. This is not Dash, I just colored this. Yep, here's the whole combo. It's pretty cool. Here's how it is when it spins. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, there it goes. It's free spinning. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So next time I'll show you test battles of this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and goodbye.